Thursday, September 21st. We're going to make this really quick and easy. We did it again. Our number one pick works every single freaking day. I mean, ever since we made the switch to focusing on day trading, we've been tracking our number one pick, and it's been 2 weeks, and we're only wrong one day. And even that one day, the targets hit. So maybe we weren't wrong, but it was just hard to exit that day, right? Because it hit the targets within the first few minutes. And if you didn't take it on Celsius and Tesla last Friday, then it was a tough day the rest of the day. But again, our number one pick, GFS. Okay, GFS, after an initial drop, it held the 20 DMA, after the initial drop, and it's just keep going up and up and up. Bank on this call. All right. Now, a lot of other stuff not working. Well, some are. A lot of the other calls were also accurate. There's shorting the market, shorting stocks, RK. A lot of that stuff was accurate. CrowdStrike didn't work out, though. That was not our number one pick. It was an idea. I think we said number two pick. Now it's doing better here, but it failed. Completely failed. Okay. And we didn't do a great job extricating ourselves out of that. We probably should have cut our losses earlier. But in any case, this is a lesson, I think, for us and all of our listeners, man. The number one pick always works out. This is not luck, man. It's like 9 out of 10. Unbelievable. All right, so GFS working out. Let's see what else. We talked about Celsius, to watch that if it hits the 50 DMA. It did hit it, and we added more to our long-term position here. In fact, a little below the 50 DMA here at around 170. We could always go lower. So this is not a day trade. This is in a longer-term account, okay? So Celsius, we added to that. FedEx, we had the right call, but I didn't execute this well. I said I didn't like that earnings report. I shorted in the pre-market, but I got shaken out on that initial pop, and I didn't look back. So if I just kept that short, I would have been good. So hard to execute amid that volatility. Netflix, Disney, these are speculative plays on the strike ending. They're still holding up well. Warner Brothers, Disney, and Netflix overall. If you got in on the pre-market call, you've been up. Man, we didn't really play this until later in the day. But this is looking healthy. All right, we'll see if we get a big pop this afternoon if the strike comes to an end. All right, that's Netflix, Disney, Warner Brothers. RK getting rejected at the 200 DMA at $40. Broke below that, getting rejected. Listen, SMCI, I'll tell you now, though. Remember that saying, sell Rosh Hashanah, buy Yom Kippur? Okay. Well, Yom Kippur is Monday. We're thinking of cutting our shorts even more. At the open, we closed some of our shorts, reduced our shorts. In retrospect, we would have been better off holding on, but we still have some shorts. And I think we're going to close more shorts by end of day tomorrow. See if we can get a bounce out of the market. Look at SMCI below the 235 support. I think I don't know if we added today, but SMCI, looking at that for a long-term account, maybe adding more. Next support is 215 though. So things are pretty tough, up and down the board, pretty tough, unless you just stick with the number one pick. Look at Enphase. Enphase doing well. A third day of strong performance, trying to break above that 20 DMA. You know what? I'm going to look into this maybe for the remainder of the day. Let me move that up. We did that on the second day. We played this 2 days successfully in a row. Maybe we'll take a look at Enphase after the show. What's this link someone put in in Rumble? Okay, no, that's not an important comment. So look, I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm not getting shaken out of Yatra. Yatra's still, it's down 4% today, but the thesis, everything still looks good there. And the lesson here for us, at least, is stick with the number one pick. And another lesson is, man, it's all about execution. So you got to work on your execution, come up with your rules, and stick to it. We probably should have bailed CrowdStrike when it broke yesterday's low at around 164, but we stuck around too long. So we're paying for that mistake today. And I'm just stoked that our number one pick keeps on working each and every single day. If all you did was come to StoryTrading and tune into the 9 a.m. show and only trade the 9 a.m. pick, man, your account would probably be up 100% in a week or 2 weeks. I mean, every single day. All right. All right, that's the story. It's a tough day. I need to make this short and quick because I need to get back to trading. All right, we got to work on some things. So we'll see you at storytrading.com/app. Download the free app. You'll get access to our 9 a.m. picks. What's the number one pick of the day going to be tomorrow? Most likely, 99% chance. I don't want to say that's not a guarantee, but so far, if history is any indication, our number one pick will do great tomorrow. By the way, the next target on GFS, $58, right? $58.80. I'm sorry. $58.80 is the next target on GFS. Let's see if we get there. Got to have a stop loss. Figure out your own mechanism of when you want to get out. We're in call options here. So we're sticking with it so far, but you got to come up with your own strategy, how to execute. We're just giving you the ideas of what stocks could outperform on any particular day. With that, we'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Take care.